The Tale of Anansi and the Sky God's Stories. In the land of the Nile, neath the bright starry skies, lived Anansi the spider, so clever and wise. He looked up and pondered the vast cosmic sea and said, "The sky god must know more than me." So he spun a silk thread way up to the stars, past Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter Mars. He climbed to the palace of Nyame, the Great, where the secrets of space and of time did await. "O Nyame, I've come from the earth down below, to learn the great tales of the cosmos you know." But Nyame just laughed. "Those I cannot sell. The price of my stories no spider could spell. I'll pay any price for the knowledge I seek, the wisdom of stars, planets, cosmos unique." So Nyame declared what the price was to hear. "Bring a python, a leopard, some bees, and a deer." Now Anansi was clever. He knew what to do. He caught them with tricks, gauds, and spider silk too. To Nyame he brought them and said, "Now you'll share the tales of the heavens, the knowledge so rare." And Nyame was pleased, so he told Spider all, the secrets of space, time, the big and the small, of quasars and black holes and old galaxies, the birth of the stars and the cosmic mysteries. Then Anansi returned back to Earth with this wealth of stories and insights on cosmos and self. We still tell his tales of the stars up above, and ponder our place in this cosmos we love.